Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saicharam Malayala and good morning from NIT Warangal. It's been long since I have vlogged. So due to some important works, I went to Hyderabad and I came back to college again. And today, no. So you are seeing me wearing a bag, right? So I'm not going anywhere. So Ashish is going to his home for Diwali vacation. I'll be staying back in the campus. So that's why he is unable to lift the bag due to he's not feeling well. Actually he got some fever, so that's why he's going now. Time is 10 to 8 in the morning and Ashish is here. He's going home. Let's say bye Ashish. So thing is, I also joined a car driving school. Actually it's been since long. I'm thinking about learning car driving, but time has not came till now. So finally me and Tushar joined the car driving school. So today is our first session. So for the 15 days he is charging somewhere around 3000 and 150 kilometers. At 8:30 we have our first session. So we need to report at the main gate. So from there 10 kilometers each. For me 10 kilometers and for Tushar 10 kilometers. Every day 10 kilometers, total 150 kilometers package. It is costing around 3000. So I feel money doesn't matter, but it will be really productive because learning car will always be an advantage. So not an issue, right? So anyhow, online classes are going on and we are free in the hostel. So that's why I decided to go now. So I will be dropping him there. Pesara 2, Upma and Palli Chutney. So here is Ashish. We need to fill our details here. So we are here at the main gate. Ashish is filling his details. So I'm waiting here at the main gate and I'm waiting for Tushar as well as the driving school car. So he said that directly car will be coming here and picking us. So at 8:30. So time is at 8:25 now. Tushar has to come here. He's having his breakfast. So when we are coming out of the mess, he's having his breakfast. Mostly by this time he should also come here. So once he comes and we have to wait for the car. Once car arrives, chalo, we can always be a crazy experience, right? Time is now almost 2:30 in the. So here it is raining in the campus. I'm just having the ice cream. So as you seen in the morning, Ashish has went to his home. But actually what he did is that fellow forgot his charger here, and he got shortlisted for one intern resume shortlisting level 1. After that he need to write a test. That is today at 6 o'clock. Now the time is 2:15. Even I also got shortlisted for that exam. So thing is, at 6 o'clock I have the exam now. So that is what I am preparing now. And also I regularly follow politics. So in that, today is the election result day of Huzurabad by-elections. So mostly Ital Rajendra is going to win. So he's a BJP candidate. So that's it. That's all for the day. Just now completed my lunch and came back from the lunch. You have seen, right? Eating ice cream in the rain. So weather is really cool out there. Just came to room. So this is how the room is. Good morning guys. Today is day 2 of car driving classes. So this is how the weather is. So yesterday our session was at 8:30, but today they asked us to come at 6 o'clock. Now the time is 6:10. I have to call them. So by the time I reach the gate, they will be there with the car ready in front of the gate. Tushar is already on his way to main gate. So this is how the weather here at NIT Warangal. Today's date is November 3rd. Just look at the weather here at NIT Warangal, man. Awesome, right? So this is how it is. And here is our IG and Food Street. Superb. So I think last night it rained, I guess. So of course I know it is raining in the afternoon. I mean after lunch it rained, right? I've shown you in the video. So last night also I think it is rained, and last night my exam went well. Let's see what is going to happen, whether I'm going to shortlisted or not. Let's hope for the best. That is what we can do, of course, right? Yeah. So here I am at the foot street now. I think it will take another 5 to 6 minutes for me to reach main gate. Actually, one thing is, like, Tushar woke up. He usually woke up at 4:30. So he came to my room. He hit the door. He called me 5 times. So he hit the door like he's saying that. So he thought that door will break. In that way, he hit the door itself. Still, I didn't woke up. So at the end, at 5:50, I myself woke up and I just called him. I mean, at that time, exactly same time, he called me and I just woke up by myself. So I just spoke with him. So he said he's already on the way to main gate. So that is what happened in the morning today. So usually, like, I get up at 6:30 actually. So I don't have. Sometimes whenever required, I wake up at 5 o'clock or 5:30. But regularly. In the morning I went to play shuttle. Before that we went to car driving class. After that, as for the first time I played shuttle here, so it was really nice. Even I will try to play for every day. We'll try that. Mostly I know I can't do that. For 1 week I may do that, but after that I will be like, oh, chalta, like who will do that, who will play and all. So basically now the task is to go to our department, biotech department. So one of my friend requires a signature of HOD. So as I am a CR, so I am going with her. So I will ask HOD sir to sign on her permission letter. So she lost her ID card itself, so that's why she required chief warden signature, security officer signature and HOD signature. So that's why we are going to take that, and followed by that even I have to take my new ID card. So usually we will get ID card in the first year, so it got expired now. So we need to like update it now. That is the reason. After taking the signature from there, we will directly go to library and we will also update my here at the library. Just submitted the application for new ID card. So I'm going back to room now, and now here I'm at the mechanical department. So actually tomorrow we are having a event, kind of like releasing sky lanterns, as tomorrow is Diwali, so to light the sky. So that's why we plan to conduct that particular event. So for that I need to bring the sky lanterns. So I'm waiting for Uday Kumar sir. So as you already seen in the last video, he is one of our faculty advisor for NSS NID Warangal. So now I am waiting for his arrival, so that he will give me the bike and I will take that bike and I will just bring that sky lanterns. So these are the lanterns, and here are the lighters to light them. Let's see how they are going to work tomorrow. So basically done with buying the lanterns and all. So just going to return this key to the sir. I took the bike of the sir, right? So I will be returning that key to sir now, and that's it. Tomorrow 6 o'clock, maybe 6 or 7 o'clock, we will be having the event. I will be covering that event in this vlog or the next vlog. Chalo then.